Well, hello. So today I'm gonna show you how to get this set up, and there is a trick that I want to show to you. You see here? Have a look at this. No annoying pop-up. Alright, so come with me and I'm gonna show you how to get this minimal theme done very quickly. So first, let's start with a clean home screen. You can check the link in the description for getting the wallpaper. So the first thing that we're gonna need to do is to go to the application called Luxe. Once you are in the application, go to the transparent section and click on Go. Here you can click on Import at the top, and then you can select the wallpaper that you're gonna utilize. Let's click on Add. Then you see here that we have the wallpaper, right? Then you click on the wallpaper and you're going to be presented with this screen. Each individual block represents the location of the icons. As you know, in the iOS, we cannot just add icons in the middle. So the way we do this is by creating some invisible icons on the left side. So let's start with this first one. Hey, you know what I just realized? You may not be yet subscribed to the channel. If you enjoy contents like this, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. This way you help me and I can continue making videos like this with new setups for you every single week. Let's go back to the setup. And in order to get your first transparent icon, you just click on download and that's it. Then it will be saved. Okay, so the first icon here is a transparent icon. Now, let's go to the next one. The next one, I want to create an icon for my camera. Let's scroll down until we find the camera icon. This one, okay? So I'm gonna click here, then I click on the tick mark. So you see the icon now is at the home screen. I'm gonna create my next one. So same process, click on saved, click at the top. Okay, now the next one, so this one is to be a transparent icon. Click on it, save, click at the top, yes. Another transparent icon. My next one, I want this to be the YouTube. So there you go, now you have all your transparent icons created as pictures in your library. The next thing that we're gonna need to do is to go into the Shortcuts app and start creating the shortcuts. Let's open the shortcut. So once you are in the Shortcuts app, you need to click at the plus at the top and then select Open App. Now you need to select the application that you want to create the shortcut for. Our first one will be the camera. Then you need to click here at the top, click Add to the home screen. You can delete the name, click here to choose the photo. You see? Choose photo. So this is the option that you need to select. Click choose photo. Okay. Now you can select the icon that we just created using the other application. Click choose, click add. So there you go, our first icon is over there. So I'm gonna do the same for all the icons and I'm gonna speed up the video so you don't need to waste your time. So there we go, now we have all the icons in the home screen, but not yet in the format that we want. So the next thing to do is to add the invisible icons and then the widget. You know what, I'm a little bit starving. Alright, so let's continue now with the invisible icons. In order to do that, we need to go back to the Shortcuts app, click on plus at the top. Then you don't need to select any action here. You just click at the top, click Add to the home screen, and then remove the name. And let's select the first screenshot that we took. And you see it's right here. So let's move it here. So let's create another invisible shortcut. Again, you don't need to select any actions. You just need to click here at the top, then click Add to the home screen, remove the name, and let's select the next picture that we took, this one. Click Add, done. So this will be here. So I will speed up the video so it will be quicker for you. There we go, we are almost there. The final step is to add the widget. So finally it's time to install the widget. Let's go to the application that is called Brass. Once you are in the application, you need to go to the Widget tab and hit the plus at the top. So here you have a few options. You can choose the size of the widget. So I'm gonna go with this middle size here. And then we're gonna choose the style. And here you can select different fonts. So I'm gonna select this one. And one thing to keep in mind, we need to make it transparent. So in order to do that, you need to click here at this option and then you click Set Transparent Background. And here you just need to select the same wallpaper that you are already using. Then that is done. So our widget here is the widget number 2. Okay, so let's go back to the home screen, trigger the wiggle mode, then click on plus and let's add the widget. Okay, now the next step is to click and hold on the widget and then click on Edit Widget. Then you can choose and then you can select the widget that was created in the previous step. In our case, it's the widget number 2. Now, if the widget background is not lining up with the wallpaper, you can click on it and then click Adjust Widget Position. So here you can choose in which place you are positioning the widget. So in our case, it will be at the top. Then you click Save and then click Done. So now it's time for the trick where we can avoid the annoying notifications when you open any application. You see here, the shortcuts, they function exactly like a normal icon. So how can you avoid those annoying notifications every time that you click on an icon? The trick is go into the settings, then we go to the screen time and click on See All Activities, and then you need to scroll down towards the notification. And here you need to find the shortcuts. Now, if the shortcuts is not appearing for you, it's just a matter of opening several times the application until it starts to appear in this section. Once you find shortcuts, then you click on it, and all you need to do is disable Allow Notifications. There is an additional step that you need to do in order to completely eliminate the notifications when you click on the applications in the home screen. Let me give you an example. If I click here, you see that I still have this annoying pop-up, right? Now, in order to eliminate it, let's go to the Shortcuts app. So the final step to completely eliminate this annoying pop-up is going to the Shortcuts app, and then you go to Automation tab. Once you are in the Automation tab, you need to click on the plus at the top, click on Personal Automation, and then find App. So you can select, then you need to choose the application that you want to eliminate that annoying notification. In my case, it's Instagram. Then you need to select It's Open. click on next, and here's the trick. Here you need to select calculator. And you need to select number. And here you can put any random number. So this is just a task that you run in the background every time that you open an application. But this is just to avoid the notification to appear. Okay, this is how we trick the iOS. So let's click on next to finalize. An important step is to disable ask before running. Okay, so you need to disable it. Click don't ask. So it's very important, otherwise it will not work. So ask before running, you need to disable it. Then you click on done. So that's it, we just create the automation, and now if I click on Instagram, no annoying pop-up. I know it's a lot of work until you get the final result, but once you have this in place, then you don't need to bother anymore. You're gonna have a very nice setup with a very minimal home screen that you can utilize like if it was native from the iOS. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is the minimal setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.